Hello guys, my name is Elang Muhamad Harunareza Denda Kusuma. I'm from Universitas Swadaya Gunung Jati Kota Cirebon. I'm here to join Innovation Management Practice a segment, and let's watch it. Let's go.
PT. NRI Global Mandiri, Nature Republic of Indonesia, is a company engaged in the distribution of well-known brand cosmetics.
Pure nature, the embodiment of nature. Nature Republic lives in the perfection of nature. It aims to discover gifts from pristine nature around the world and to provide them in the most natural state to a customer for everyone to enjoy. Nature Republic provides reasonably priced products to customers by finding the balance between quality and a price in order for everybody to fully enjoy its product. So, Nature Republic's product and a brand people of the world will be able to enjoy the gift of nature. Originality, advanced sensibility, and conviction. Nature Republic exploits the pristine nature of the world and delivers new inspiration as we serve our customers around the world. We research products resembling nature without imitating others while retaining the pride of being the leader in a natural cosmetic product. Community communicate with each other. Nature Republic enjoys hanging with our customer and partner and continually improves product and experience at our store in order to share, enjoy, and benefit with them. Nature Republic's 100,000 million jars worldwide. Indonesia is very potential market and is recognized as one of the largest economic countries in Asia, according to Francesca Natalio as CEO of Nature Republic Indonesia to the Indonesia Times Friday 92 70 91. Product aloe vera 92% soothing gel has become a trendsetter for aloe vera and everyone's favorite, and sales number have excellent in has contributed to the effort of Nature Republic as the number one Korea brand in Indonesia to continue to develop various products that are increasingly innovation and of course affordable for all consumers. To further enlarge its market share, this time Nature Republic made a big breakthrough, namely by lowering the price of its flagship product shop as aloe vera 92% smoothing gel from the initial price of 98 rupiah to 80 rupiah. Dennis newest products such as the Good Skin Applause series also lowered the price. The goal is that a woman in Indonesia can become more beautiful with an additional choice of high quality product without having to be expensive in the midst of the current rise of local brand. So for you women who want to look more beautiful and curious about Nature Republic products that are increasingly affordable, don't forget to directly visit the outlets in your city or by opening their official online outlet page in all marketplace. The type of innovation career out by Nature Republic is by lowering price so that Indonesia women can be as Nature Republic product at a price that are not too expensive and can be beautiful without spending space money. Thank you for visiting my channel. I hope you are innovation and want to ask beauty product from the Natural Republic of Indonesia. Goodbye.